PNTMD executive. At the outset, I express my sincere gratitude to respected Sri Los Daiko, PNTMD government of Manipur for accepting our invitation to grace the 32nd VEDAOYU NII CUM Freshers Meet as chief guest. Sir, we are pleased to have you in our midst, and we look forward to be inspired or encouraged by you. I would like to thank to Sri Kito Situ Sikosi, Deputy Resident Commissioner Government of Nagaland, New Delhi. Sri Duke Christ.
Moving rendition from Tunjoy, Delhi. Thank you for the sweet notes.
Special invitee, my friends and my colleagues from Nagaland House, Collier, are Sir Sule Anthony, Thomas. I guess I will not be able to name everybody, but dear freshers, students and families in Delhi of the Poumai Nagas, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you a very good afternoon today. First of all, I'm extremely grateful for the presentation that you have given us. We are undeserving, but you have given us that. Thank you so much. We are also very grateful for inviting us to this wonderful occasion to celebrate the 32nd Freshers Meet cum VEDAOYU NII.
Now for his speech, may I invite Sir Duke Christopher to come and take his time. Also, I will remind you again, he's from Punjab and his better half is from Nagaland.
Hi, good morning everybody. Am I audible? I hope so. First, I really want to thank everybody who's extended this invite. It's an honor for me to be here. I thank the organizing committee and especially all the dignitaries sitting over here. I'm sorry, I wouldn't recollect all the names, but just being in your august company is an honor in its own self. Thank you. I'm not going to take, I'm not going to eat into a lot of other people's time. I want to stress on 4 or 5 things which I just jotted down. One thing, this is the first time I'm here at a freshers meet, and I want to give a special mention that this is not a regular thing that you see happening to other people who come from different cities, states to work. When I came here, I did not have so much of guidance that was being extended to me by people I knew from my hometown. I would get some bit of an advice from here or there and then try and work towards it. I think everybody who was here, when I got here, the freshers who were being welcomed and gave their own introduction, I think they should take this platform as one of the best platforms that you can get. You have so many people who are giving you advice, who are here to support you, guide you, and I think that in its own self, for somebody who comes in to try and chase their dreams, is just fantabulous to have this kind of support. So I want all of you to please put your hands together for everybody sitting over here who's come in to welcome all these people. So I'm still finding my way in life. So 2 or 3 things that I always stick with. There is nothing that will succeed more than your hard work. So there is no shorter way of getting there. People have tried, but it's only hard work that's going to get you places. It's only your hard work that is going to go ahead and leave a mark in this world. People are going to remember you for the way you work, your execution, how well you went ahead and executed a certain task. It's not because of taking shortcuts. So be a firm believer in your abilities. You are here to chase down your goals and have specific goals, and work towards them. The worst example is when people come here and, like Sir very rightfully mentioned, people say that I'm doing this for time pass and all of that. To be honest, that is not something that's going to go ahead and go in your favor in any which way. When you start out with any task, I think you should have a very clear path in mind, what you want to do, and you have to strive towards it. It's not going to be easy, but that is what we have to go ahead and work towards. As I said, I won't be taking too much of time. I wish everybody over here all the success. Please feel free to reach out to me, and you have obviously your friends, elders over here to help you. And I want to extend myself to be another person who can help you in whatever way possible. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your vibrant speech, your words of wisdom and exhortation. Thank you, sir.
We will now be serenaded by a young artist who is the winner of Barak Solohan 2017 and first runner-up of Tribal Euphony 2018. Allow me to introduce you our next performer. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our very own, the beautiful Tsiidoumai.
Now, as we depart from this space,
Welcome everyone. It is such a pleasure and honor to serve you as your host today here at this momentous occasion. May I introduce my co-host, your mascot, Mr. Jevi Pao. Yes, if you are looking for something to uplift your mood, look no further. He is a peel of vitamin in human form. Yes, you will see it for yourself today.
What about you?
Alright, good evening everyone. Okay, I have some information about her as well, don't worry, we'll come slowly. Okay, thank you so much, that was such a great intro. And now please allow me to introduce my co-host as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please believe me when I say that this lady is extraordinary. And yes, someone once said, and I quote, if beauty and goodness has to take the form of human, it would be born as this lady. And I'm sure that person is absolutely correct, you can see right. And yeah, the perfect example of Pia Powder Nyama, I'm always you. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to introduce my co-host, presenting to you the one with 10K plus followers on Instagram, 8,642 followers on Facebook and Twitter, the beauty queen, one and only Miss Liverpool Jasmine Lena.
Wow, what an introduction. And what a great day. Just talk about the visuals, the outfits, the glam, the food, the chivalry, elegance, unconsumed. Yes, we have a lot on our plate today.
I have a mic accent, so that shows how cooperative we are. And I'm sure we'll be all having a good time. Yeah, it's truly, undeniably a wonderful day. Seeing all beautiful people coming together, and this VEDAOYU NII CUM, it's truly a VEDAOYU NII CUM because we all get in all of our face once again.
Hello? Okay, getting into business, well, let's get into business. Well, you have a way of cracking up people, and I say that I think we first have to dispel every discomfort in the whole. So why don't we hear a good job from you? Show me what you got.
So there, Aline jokes so like a popping day. Second the jokes na chain na sa duluja.
Last year 2018 he Poumai's got talent he pa jokes mo ma. Tinabi he nini village maybe related joke da pa da tikita ni kaina.
Okay, sir. Awe co-host no khoda isa mala lishi dewa. Okay, Ali subtitle li de pe chu pula na popule. Village job related it goes okay they lay hi my ali hana hai bao ego sa sha ma bao thobo zo ima ali thobo so ima le bushe bunu thobo hana ha so la lo nu ta kyu ta hi cha ho zo la ya na ku ha hoi ya na cha ta i ma ta chi de hi nu ta kyu we le de nu hi we le chi de hi my ali na ngao de she ma ali na ngao da hana bu hi no ni ma hana bu de nai bao zo ho dai se ha ya no kai she bao cha lai bu kai she so no more yo church ka lai lai we ha ki bi kai mai so bo zo lai ngon tu ba ta ka do de wa ano bu e是 就不拉了几开开个的是那边包含的还鸭子包过出来，然后呢不能拿也买，那时候呢不能后来呢大家去过，还说喂到底那出去不我了会，是喽，因为没拿你我回来也包不开也买，所以这个后来不能，他个包出去个包个那边说。 Kuluna du li chara chana ba chawai mo ha ya po pise so to ho ho na pu bo jo kuna ne da ka ki be ye hai se tho ha mo thua mong về ở đâu tụi nó bỏ hay cứ ta bỏ sự mai đâu là hồ về ta thích tỏ ngồi ya bỏ bên khăn là sờ lơi ya mai nên chỉ mà sao tao lại sờ lơi ya bỏ bên là hơn là sờ lơi bỏ ta đấy chứ so the guy after 2-3 weeks ba pu ho hay pu là đâu pu đi mà hay đâu pu về hơn là pu nó đã cả bỏ đi hơn là pu đấy ya cú chứ nên hiện bỏ sờ lơi đi hắn đấy nên mà ta đấy anh ấy vứt tao lại bỏ sự xí sao đấy giờ nó lúc đi không có खेल lúc đi oh, she can not tell you to cheat. Saya abi tu setau tu lesi dah cuma nak zat leh ya pokok ini mah. Setau mana pun. So, sekali tu ino shalom ha ya semua ni lalu kau julai kau betul anu tadi pawai hal ini nama tadi ya. Ma pawai ni jutu lo ma terasa tai bede ya pokok mana pun mah. So, jadi kan zohi wah. Itu wih special show ni performance le memang law sana buat special invite memang law sana buat wah. La cucu polisi pa la cucu admirer za Poumai jutu lu mo za now he ta ta lu itu sebab nu hai ko hosu pula anu we are not responsible for any further problems that comes on our way ba nem tola la cucu na jutu lu hai oh anu hana martial arts za pula ne lu song we show mai le mai chú ý tao vì competition mà lao nhau ta là hana we show no poli mai le so ta thai bia na ye ba ideally solution is boring. Now do alias mouse the my here.
Well, I see your. Hello. Hello. All right. I will sing a very short song. It's just a paragraph. I hope you get with me. Hello? I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, Prince, now when did you last let your heart decide? A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. And when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. And now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Some of which today, thank you. True, though we have witnessed so many beautiful things around us, like thank you, halfway feeling on the way, but I personally would like to ask my co-host this evening, what is the most beautiful thing according to you?
Hello? Well, beauty, just look around. I think beauty can be found everywhere. To think about the pops of colors, the flowers, the trees, the mountains, the landscapes. I'm getting all hyped up by this question. And I think if I have to name, it'll go on and it would never run out. So, however, I think that topping it all, the most beautiful thing in this world is the fact that each and every individual is unique and special in their own way. After all, variety is the spice of life, right? Okay. And with that, folks, today we have a rich, varied flavor, the table that has been laid. The Poumai's talents, some are sweet, some are salty, some are sour, some are savory, but everything has different taste, smell, flavor, texture, and I think that makes it all special. So the table has been laid. All we have to do is start and get the taste of each one after another. Hello? Jo ito my liwe sapoina talen po pasong ojuki ito contestant my
From there, Mr. Adversaries, the only cowboy from Poumai. And here we have middle, Mr. Zui Dearsum Pao from the Kulen. Ajita will do. ito nuzo item so we're gonna be singing the song, and the song what we're gonna sing is like we have 8 songs. We compress 8 songs into one, so we'll be singing like 8 songs in one go. So I hope everyone you understood. So what we're gonna sing here, most of the sound is that like it's a only Poumai sound, Poumai legendary song. So I hope everyone you enjoy the show.
If we could Shah, Papa Mama Papa, my yes, Tajai Naide, Yali Mata, it's a Julu, Yali.
Hello everyone, I'm serial number 2 and I'll be playing music piece.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was serial number 2. Now we have serial number 3. Serial number 3 for Poumai's Got Talent 2019 on stage.
Shah, serial number 3, representing Shomori village, now the dancing.
क्या बोले सब लोग एमवे बनता है मालूम है ना मचाएंगे आऊँगा
It's a song about my high school crush, you know, like this little heart of mine couldn't have the courage enough to ask her out, and so I regret it every single day. But I bet she's not, because she's now a mother of a beautiful baby girl. All the guys out there who have a similar experience, this one's for us, man. Sorry for that. It's called The Best I Never Had.
I've been gone for so long now, chasing everything that's new. For me, ooh, through the good times and the bad, you were the best I never had. Only chance I wished I had to take. There was no writing on the wall, no warning signs to follow. I know now, and I just can't forget. You're the best I never had. In this motel well past midnight, when I'm bluer than the brew, you came drifting in,
Take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, here it goes. Sometime I'm meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Thank you.
Cause we're scared to be lonely. Do we need somebody just to feel like we are right? Cause she's the only reason you're holding me tonight. Cause we're scared to be lonely. Somebody better for us all along. Tell me, how do we keep holding on tonight? Cause we're scared to be lonely even when we know it's real. Somebody better for us all along. Tell me, how do we keep holding on?
My name is Thaovei, and today I'm gonna perform a painting. So check it out.
those moments when we are left speechless out of deep. Here's another.
When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, words trying to rhyme. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn we'll try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that's you will never die. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes.
I'll be singing today is a heartbreaking song, but giving a hope that he or she, there is someone who likes the way he or she is. So here goes.
Well, everybody's got a story to tell, and everybody's got a work to live. What I will live, there's beauty here. 'Cause all I get is a touch of holy know. I can't let go, I can't let go. I wanna live, me here. How many times have you heard me cry out, God, please take this? How many times have you given the strength to just
Once again, shall we all shout out to his name? 1, 2, 3. Rasa Rasi Evergreen!
Let's just show you. Ipo mana dili mito. Hasmodo. Leposo ni nama do mito. Tepo ini so voi je voi do biju. Ito Poumai students dili mito. Iro parents budi taguni turmo to hini chilgu de advisor su be. Ito ni ikum kaya ito PNTMD local mato parents budi to. Chalo dekheo de be. Taso de kheo de sa de khum ba. To regular PNTMD tagma PNTMD khai ba do. Ma tadi ni capital ni kilometer ni khemo de kheo de. Sika khile ye itsa shoba. Vaji bolu ko ni vaji bolu ko bro. Ram ni ne kheo. Kalau sudah ini cukup je dili ini, also we she come to way sini, ni to kalau ni to nama encouragement payura di isra. Semua itu cip gas tare, ada tu ko awi gas, mato awi special gas mato lebih, ini itu to kalau ni to she we dili ni, also we Poumai leader to way sih kalau, so ko ahajib ni. PNTMD mato nalle mato
但是一直把上的也是上好的这个的，但是把的这个龙门的往的包，但记的包不底下，我不知道很难的还，让么个包都不掉。politician都不掉，还一啥想的，啊那，因为对的领导人帮那个，搞得我个这边什么不的嘛，因为阿说就是以后美国的没了的，人家帮忙那个，到Poumai一代比起开比去，不过啥，我们那不过啥了嘛的开比1969，因为开了改的。这么多，因为脑海里这个大哥的，我是你的阿里头嘛，还得做我们买不的去热了呗，叫那个，一来给他们辅导到了，把西了还不大哥人给对于给一到了，一给他们不光了，一不嘛给为什么好的不啦？一看那给你说的你懂事了。心中没有第二个，是这个在关键，一时间我干好了啥，这哪是说的没嘛？弄那个一直把毛送我一个连那叫这小我告诉大概嘛，这个别点么东西，完这里送大哥，别点么东西，别把的别买，别个别把公。告诉就都回来，西龙别把，但告诉我都回来。地里有别把我知道，给不到你别么到个地里有别把我地里去回来。那老就我的晚上了噻，那一到这边是你包啦，人民晚上去了噻，来4万来去了噻，有的没有去了噻，什么包就是我来去了，这一路去了。啊那，你都一定 ，Thank you， 你的阿哥了过来，也就这包说了嘛，这个死的阿孩子包过不来。这包不过了，好难到不了你这里呢，那说的，你到那阿老叔就阿七包给他说完得这怎么天了，你把你搞了说的。一部分啊，大哥的，别点到那边那，有什么给你不来，给你下班的，这个你到地里头到可以到Poumai。别人说的那所以我说的 standard 嘛啥，过去不这个搞了，哎，你到给他人别么地里头这把么啦，哎，是他给啥的，过去到过去不，这就是那 standard 上出来的，都会就爬公园，真的呢，你到还不得给我了呢，啊，别那个没地里我么呢，有多你给我不些，他跑过我那个。Ramai PNTMD list di mana kalau saya. Dia album signal tu kan kena kena mungkin. Cuma tu reply tu, kira tu reply tu. Hai di list di mana tu hai sing lagi cuci, sing lagi cuci. Hah? Kira mau? Ira belum? Oke. Jadi, lo nak itu, ni dah highlight mudi juga. Bukan malam mana tu malam. Lo nak itu ni dah highlight mudi. Daji ni tu, daji. Highlight lah. Bukan malam aja tu mial macam apa? 这个这个的也是下面也这个的嘛。对了，阿姐都好了，俺西南一些都个阿姐都读书，所以说你等于你等于一起过来跑的嘞，你等那么那里头。别人们看不到嘞，别人到了，到家问你去了，地里是你们到那都不对嘞，这个我也不对了，包说说包都是红的包，哪也包不给这个，还没到还，交通好，机构的好，爸爸都都好，机构都上，我现在都看都很，什么东西机构包不来了的嘞， 你到因此就有到不么看嘛，开地里不过啥了嘛，有这个这个是你就一张不离的啊，叫死里么的，这都是不多，这都哪哈多么到了到哪里，这个的，我弟弟家别打工呢，那么多开那么大，因为喜欢打工的是啦，不需要打工了的，你到那么小的，你到因为说啦。이런 꼬다를 니 다른 거 니나 다 이거로 하나 딜레이라 다이도로 비에도라 다이도로 에멘도라 다이도로 인지너도라 땡네 알라고 뭐라 오 이런 거 그스 왜 저거 이런 기부터 뭐 그스 쇼네 니도 저거 뭐라 주요 내가 이런 딜레이 결과는 칼과고 이도 보면 에이 라슬 소라실마 요 보면 수용도니 스피시 게서 두 번이 그 결과 칼과 있어 내가 이마 저기 저거 뭐라 还有大狗呢，一年到这个去了，所以一开过了，大地包了呢，不是的呢，那个都受不了，赶紧这个就扭了，啊，我说了，一这个两个都他妈说弄的，我说了，这不你别到这里说了，那么说了一个包过来，你都听说不会这里说那个倒过来的，我一到。Poumai torne ko ini to ko bola lama cho di Poumai tek kilo zabene bola sadene to lama sore ana ya khaise ji ko le boda le ya khaise bole ne to dasen si mo ge dasen si na gi ko de to ale confusion ta zo Poumai de ne sacrifice ko di lo ra sa se cái đây bôi ramani bảo hiếu luôn là nhiều có một đứa này bổn bề lì nhiều hai cái số là ô đi raman ai sửa bây giờ ý đại sửa cái ramani này nhiều xin nhà là không sửa mà nhiều social hóa bao giờ mà số xóa đi để khám phá số là không ý sửa mà áp dụng được mà cái gì vậy来都不知道，那个为什么变电视电嘛地里嘛头个，给到你不然，就说好了，他们呢带出来的你不跟那个人，哪个没得来呢？你还出来的稍微没事，这个呢，你个他们带不着的，后边把不然带拉不到了，哦，一万是你带，我那他的拍卖包，这个一万的是你带，就是来开不了，一出的不然。但你打你都做不来，以后不给怎么的半天 ？Still in your life。多少的呢？还不如呢？过来5年级的了呢，说到这女别哪都给了干呢？买一件的 English 了，我就买一件的 English 包，我就得了讲对，我就好是考过大学了一点。那个一顿要去报告不？你结果的。那你选择阿子英，那你选择就了你我说不啦？这个么路个，你到阿爷怎么了？阿爷的大哥的到不都买，一那么那个大生的呢，这里就了呢，都给了个不然，你到这边去了，去了，你去报告了嘛？这开始不来，你到么说我说的，你到一路上光都不怎么个。不用都把么个？那种都把么 ？OK， 是来。孩子多么柔，儿子多么蕊，西莫瓦的，阿卡梅那么那手写人，阿萨梅那么。Taishya
Naga yo jaro sudamo sada secret khaira tudamo nungo photo bomo de jeo yo
Omaisco, eu in my forum cattle.
vo digo zupong ni mui ba shana chuba de wa
Against time and tide, his jest stays burning as alive as ever. Thank you for gracing us with your presence, sir. We are elevated by your spirits.
Okay, Jew he pomat say ali. Ito Jew young man evergreen hello bu Jew na hai. Mai tarali na. Uncle la ku e did go find to lay and the Jew Poumai Tsiidoumai me dele na tatra with an boy. So nobody should address him uncle, but if you really want to call him and if you feel that you should not address him by his name, you can just call him hey young man. Okay, and then I think if any of the judges would ask me or anybody would ask me, what is your aim in life? I would definitely say after watching his performance and his chances of living life, I would say I would definitely want to become like Resi Evergreen. And yes, I believe Resi Juye Evergreen and Rama in Super Buchutelehi are right to such Rama balance Palimo Homana, Yana Super She. And the Susu go to super balance with thought in a Super Pade Yamato. Rama Bacha have with Torres, what Tole? And yes, who have got no, we got no more, we push it, they go more. No, with Torres, what Torres, thank you so much. Oh, yes, and Jasmine, what do we have next? I'm curious.
Okay, shall I give you a hint?
Yeah, that would be great.
Alright.
Oh, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for Fashion Parade! Okay, so we had a traditional attire show. Poumai. Would like to comment on your show. Everyone, please, could you please line up? Okay, Zoe Hejum Zabo Bob Judges Ahai, Puhinu comment Pele, Puhinu Jibolede, Pele Hana Hai Puhin Way.
Okay, parameters and checklist that we have upon are the overall traditional formalities, which is the props and the garments, how you have fused and used it. That is one. Second is the concept and the presentation, how you have used that in the stage, the visual display. The third is the color coordination, how does it plays to the eye movement. And the fourth one is the body language.
Faith makes a cry. I wish for this nighttime to last for a lifetime. The darkness around me shows off the soul I see. Oh, how I wish to go down with the sun.
In